Waking up at 4 a.m. sounds powerful. But for me, it was a struggle. I tried alarms, motivation, forcing myself out of bed. And yeah, I did wake up. But within minutes, I felt slow, heavy, like my brain just refused to work. That's when I realized something. This isn't about discipline. So I went deeper, and I found this. Your brain doesn't just ask, did I sleep enough? It asks, am I ready to wake up right now? And most of the time, the answer is no. That's when it hit me. It's not about waking up. It's about what you do in the first few minutes. So I stopped forcing it and fixed my system. It actually starts the night before. I stopped scrolling reels after 9:30, kept my dinner light, and slept by around 10:30 or 11. Not perfect every day, but consistent enough. Because 4 a.m. doesn't start in the morning, it starts the night before. Then comes the wake up. At 4 a.m., I don't negotiate anymore. Alarm rings and I get up immediately. I even keep my alarm far from the bed so I have no choice but to stand. Then cold water on my face, brush, and I tell myself one simple thing. Just start for 10 minutes. No pressure, just start. Next, activation. Before anything else, I drink a full glass of water. No tea, no coffee immediately. Because your brain doesn't need caffeine first, it needs activation. Then comes the most underrated part, your setup. If you sit on your bed, you will fall asleep. So I switched to a chair and table and bright lights on, because your environment tells your brain, we're awake now. And when sleep still hits, I don't quit. I stand and read out loud, wash my face again, or do a few jumping jacks. Simple, but it works. And I stopped doing the biggest mistake, starting with hard topics. At 4 a.m., I don't go heavy. I revise, read, practice weak areas, and within 20 minutes, I'm fully awake. Because here's the truth. Competition is so high right now that if you keep sleeping late, you'll always be behind. While you're asleep, someone else is already studying, already improving, already moving ahead. So if you really want to stand out, you can't do what everyone else is doing. Wake up early. Use those extra hour when the whole world is silent. No distractions, no noise. Just you and your focus. That's your edge. That's how you separate yourself from the crowd. Now I'm curious, what time do you wake up every day? Comment below. I actually read them. And if this helped you, make sure you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you soon.